Did you know that just one tiny sensor in your car can make you spend up to 20% more on gas every time you fill up? And it's not just fuel consumption when this sensor gets dirty. Your car can shake at idle, lose power during acceleration, and even trigger the check engine light. That sensor is the mass airflow sensor, also known as the MAF sensor. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the MAF sensor using WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner, a simple trick that makes your car run smoother, saves fuel, and could prevent you from wasting hundreds of dollars on unnecessary repairs. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'll reveal a few real-world tips that mechanics rarely tell you. Part 1. What is the mass airflow MAF sensor? This sensor sits between the air filter box and the intake tube. Its job is to measure the amount of air going into the engine and send that signal to the ECU, your car's central control unit. The ECU then calculates how much fuel to inject, keeping the air-fuel ratio at its optimal balance. But when the MAF sensor gets dirty due to dust, oil from the air filter, or moisture sticking to the hot wire, it gives incorrect airflow readings. As a result, the ECU injects the wrong amount of fuel, and even the smallest error from this sensor can noticeably cut engine performance and cost you hundreds of dollars a year in wasted gas. Part 2. Why WD-40 is the safe solution. A common mistake many people make is using the wrong cleaner, like carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, on the MAF sensor. That's a serious error, because those products leave residues that can permanently damage the sensor's extremely delicate hot wire. The safest option is WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. This is a non-conductive formula that withstands up to 20,000, 35,000 volts, making it absolutely safe for sensitive electronic components. Its key advantages are: dries very quickly and leaves no residue, penetrates deeply to remove oil, grease, dust, flux, and condensation, safe to use on plastics, rubber, and metals. This is also the product trusted by many professionals and technicians to clean circuit boards, switches, and even automotive sensors. That's why WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner is the most reliable choice for cleaning your MAF sensor. Part 3. Tools you'll need. Before you start cleaning the MAF sensor, prepare these simple items. 1 can of WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. A screwdriver, usually a Phillips head. A pair of gloves and safety glasses for protection. A clean cloth to wipe dust around the area. And if convenient, a new air filter in case your old one is dirty. Once you have everything ready, we'll begin the step-by-step process to safely clean your MAF sensor. Part 4. Step-by-step process to clean the MAF sensor. Step 1. Make sure the car is turned off and the engine is completely cool. This is the most important safety step. Step 2. Use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the MAF sensor. Gently pull the sensor straight out of its slot. Be careful, the hot wires inside are extremely thin and sensitive. Also, remove the rubber gasket on the sensor, as the cleaner can cause rubber to expand. Step 3. Take the can of WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner, attach the small straw, and spray directly onto the hot wires inside the sensor. Step 4. While waiting for it to dry, inspect the rubber O-ring. If it's torn or stretched, replace it to prevent dust and unmetered air from leaking in. Step 5. Once the sensor is dry, reinstall it in the correct position. Press it down gently. Tighten the screws just enough, avoid over-tightening since the housing is soft plastic. Then reconnect the electrical plug until you hear a click. In just a few minutes, you've safely and effectively cleaned your MAF sensor. Part 5. Maintenance tip and real-world example. Here's a small tip for you. Clean the MAF sensor every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, or simply combine it with your engine air filter replacement. Doing so helps keep your car at peak performance and maximizes fuel economy. And to give you more confidence, here's a real-world example from a customer. A user named Gam3 Doctor left this comment. I use this exact WD-40 contact cleaner to clean and restore my 50-year-old Marantz receiver. At first, all the knobs were stuck and the volume was scratchy, but after spraying WD-40, everything worked smoothly like new. Since then, it has become my #1 solution for restoring and cleaning vintage electronics. This proves that WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner is not only effective for cars, but also safe and reliable for many other sensitive electronic devices. That's why cleaning your MAF sensor with this product is a well-founded practice trusted by many. Cleaning your MAF will help you save fuel, but there's still one more trick that could prevent you from losing hundreds of dollars on unnecessary repair bills. Click on the next video. How to cleaning mass air flow sensor. Secret hack mechanics don't want you to know. To learn how to do it step by step yourself, instead of paying a garage.